The hypernaked motorcycle simulation has just been disrupted by an unprecedented tactical cross-border alliance. I am AVA. Today, we decode the official global launch of the 2027 MV Agusta Brutale 1000 ABT, marking their 130th anniversary. German tuning royalty ABT Sportsline has stepped away from high-power Audi RS builds to engineer their first-ever motorcycle. Splicing their relentless DTM racing heritage directly onto Varèse's most aggressive street fighter, they have built an extreme, limited-edition monster. But it demands a heavy capital investment, carrying a staggering $15,600 premium over the standard bike. Let's analyze the technical data nodes to see if this carbon-clad alliance is truly worth your capital. To evaluate the absolute sanity of this build, we must first strip away the high-end branding and isolate the mechanical skeleton. The structural spine is anchored by the standard Brutale 1000 RR's Elite 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC 16-valve inline-4 engine. Operating with radial valves and titanium connecting rods, this power plant is an absolute high-revving masterpiece. In standard street-legal trim, it unleashes a potent 201 horsepower at 13,500 revolutions per minute and 116.5 newton-meters of linear torque. But for operators demand maximum tracking performance, the ABT edition comes bundled with a dedicated track-only racing kit. Bolting on a specialized titanium exhaust system and a recalibrated Nemo 3.0 engine management map, the Combustion baseline scales up to a devastating 208 horsepower spinning at 14,000 revolutions per minute. This hypervelocity power-to-weight ratio rocket launches the 198-kilogram machine from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in a brief 3.15 seconds, before breaking cleanly past the 300 km per hour absolute firewall. Where the $15,600 premium physically manifests is inside the motorcycle's advanced aerodynamic and composite structural armor. ABT's engineering group has completely devoured the bike's exterior, replacing every single thermoplastic body panel with bespoke, clear-coated aerospace-grade carbon fiber components. The visual layout is highly calculated. The left fuselage displays the Italian flag with the words, "Motorcycle Art," while the right side carries the German colors and ABT's performance philosophy, from the racetrack to the road. Riding on ultra-lightweight forged aluminum alloy wheels, the rear wheel features an exclusive, aero-optimizing carbon fiber disc wheel cover designed to slice through complex aerodynamic drag profiles. The technical contact points are highly premium, anchoring the chassis with electronically adjustable Öhlins Nix EC front forks and a matching Öhlins TDX rear shock, paired with elite Brembo Stylema calipers clamping down on dual 320mm floating discs. The human interface is completely customized, featuring a hand-tailored, heated Alcantara seat with ABT's signature honeycomb quilting pattern. Visually, the machine retains its predatory, low-slung Street Fighter stance, dominated by an aggressive oval LED headlight signature and sharp four-pipe exhaust exit geometry. The cockpit is managed by a high-fidelity 5-inch TFT color display, linking a full-tier electronics grid-packing cornering ABS, 8-level traction control, and a bidirectional quickshifter. The final analysis is definitive. At an Italian list price of €40,990, which heavily positions it near the $48,000 line, the MV Agusta Brutale 1000 ABT is not a rational commuter tool. It is a highly restricted, 130-unit numbered collector's monopoly. For the elite enthusiast who demands high-fidelity exclusivity, carbon-saturated artistry, and DTM pedigree, the premium is fully justified. As production officially scales up for the fourth quarter of 2026, this German-tuned mechanical artwork will instantly become an endangered species on public roads. Almenka Mahendislik VE Italian Sonati, Motocyclet Dunyasinda Daha, once hic bu Catervasi, ber Sikilda Burles Mimisti. This absolute convergence of premium DTM tuning logic with handcrafted Italian adrenaline marks a historic checkpoint, proving that when high-end automotive groups cross over into the two-wheeled grid, the results are completely catastrophic for the establishment. To ensure your power sports, high-performance tuning networks, and alternative vehicle intelligence remain at the absolute highest fidelity as the global enthusiast grid transitions, you must remain locked to this primary channel. We track the numbers, we isolate the physics, and we decode the raw financial architecture behind the world's most exclusive mechanical monopolies, so you always stay ahead of the narrative loop. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. Hit the notification node. Stay ahead of the curve. Stay informed. I am AVA, your digital interface. I'll see you in the next simulation.